Greetings folks, this is my mini Talon twin motor with a tapered down nose. Now twin mini Talons have been around for many years. I remember my old mate Matt Ogborn doing a conversion. I just recently decided to do it because I wasn't flying my mini Talon all that often and it was looking a bit beaten up. So the motor pods are by ITSQV. I'll put a link in the description to the Thingiverse. Very nice little motor pods that fit very well. Motors are Brother Hobby Avenger V2 2207 1750 kV with 7x4x3 props. My nose was badly crunched up. I'd crashed it a few times, so I decided to taper it down. So I sort of cut slices along each corner and pushed it down so the size of the front of the fuselage where I cut it off is 85 by 85 millimeters, and then this 3D printed nose cone just sort of fits over it, and that is just glued in. Battery fits in about here because the weight has gone from the motor on the tail to motors up the front. You don't need as much forward weight to balance it in the right spot. So my battery, it's a 4S 21700 4000 milliamp hour, and it has a maximum current capacity of 35 amps, which is good because this can get up to 20 amps when it's launching, but cruise current is like 6-7 amps or something like that. Flies beautifully now, really easy to launch, nice and smooth and stable. I'll show you some footage before I had this red nose cone. It's the other nose cone, but you'll see how nice and easy it flies, and it's just an absolute delight now. Highly recommended. It has given this plane a new lease on life. Flying weight like this is about 1300 grams, which is quite reasonable for a lovely, well-performed mini Talon. FPV camera is the Walk Snail Avatar GT kit, and I think it's the unbranded H743 in there.